I think this is clear. But they are different in another condition. What it is? Hydrophobinum, the medicine, very angry fellow, since birth till today, think the individual is of 100 years of age. So throughout the life, the anger is remain unchanged in case of hydrophobinum individual who is family centered. But on the other hand, Thuja and Midorinam, these two medicine, very cool-minded during their infancy, even during their childhood. But after that, their anger must increase day by day. But in case of hydrophobinum, the anger remained unchanged. What it was in the early life, and it is in now. And the thing, both these three are of idea of family-oriented idea, family-centered idea. But another thing for differentiation, the hydrophobinum individual has been suffering a lot since birth till today. No hydrophobinum individual spend their life without any adverse situation, either abdominal problem or cold problem or pain somewhere or migraine like this. They never enjoyed healthy life. The hydrophobinum is. So, again one point is there for hydrophobinum. The horrible suffering, the history of horrible suffering. Horrible means terrible. The history of terrible suffering is there. May not be terrible suffering, may not be horrible suffering, but continuous suffering in his life remain unchanged. The hydrophobinum, the post-rabies syndrome, medicine for post-rabies syndrome. But again, the Thuja and Midorinam, these two also family-oriented, family-centered. They also want the welfare of the family. But they remain very cool. So many positive character present in their earlier days, in their first part of life. But next part of life, they become worse and worse day by day. All the positive characters, all the positive features, all the positive aspects changed towards negativity. Like the baby was very much studious, very much attentive towards study when it is in primary school. But after high school, the individual is becoming worse and worse and worse. In case also Midorinam, the same thing is happening. But how we can differentiate these very two drugs? We first differentiate hydrophobinum from these two. Now these two drugs, how we can differentiate? The one point is this. Thuja, the person, the individual is introvert. What it means? He can keep any information in him or herself silently, very calmly, very peacefully. They are introvert. Then they never express any important information. Actually, they never express, no, they do not want to express, as because the individual is called introvert. He talk less, listen more, talk less. And you have to confirm this idea from the individual by questioning. So questioning in case of real homeopathic therapeutic system, it is very important. You are a very good physician, but you do not know the technical way of asking question to the individual. It is very important. You have to learn how to ask question. How to ask question. Then you have to learn the technique for questioning. Okay, the Thuja is introvert and Venereum is extrovert. The introvert has another meaning also. The Thuja individual is naughty one, having very negative character. But only the member of the family know, all the family members know what type of bad character, bad characteristic feature, bad aspects, the negativity is having with this very individual. But outside the family, they know the person is very gentle and very good. So they differ in their behavior, regarding their behavior at home and outside the home. This is very important. But in case of Medurinum, their behavior at home and outside the home, same. Also in case of Hydrophobinum, the individual of Hydrophobinum regarding the behavior inside the family and outside the family, same. So, if you can understand, if you confirm your idea, means the questioning, the technique of asking question, if you can throw it very nicely, means by your questioning, the patient should not be irritated. If the patient become irritated with your questioning, then all the efforts made by you will be in vain. So be careful while talking to your suffering individual. That is, I always tell, you don't ask, you must you must tell story. With this very story, that story must be considering those very points, what you are wanting. The individual will understand that doctor, the physician is very good person. He is telling a story with me. And only in those cases, patient will cooperate you and will give answer without becoming irritated. Mind this very point, it is very important. And you should not very hurry for taking case. You should not be hurry. But you will tell, sir, there are lots of persons waiting. Then you go to the Mathematica, you leave me, you leave my real homeopathy, you go that very homeopathy and see the keynote symptom and give it. Within a minute, 3 patients you must see and take the blood from them as rupees. Is it not? This is going on all over the world. The physicians are very busy. That is why he or she has not enough time for caring the patient. So they prescribe medicine for the result of the disease, creating immunodeficiency and make the victim for the COVID-19 day by day. That is why number of infected persons is increasing like a flood. Okay, let us hope for the best. When everybody will surrender, we must be there. Late better than never. We are ready here, and Sir Gautam Karmakar is with us, and Sir Amitabh Mukherjee also is with us, and now we are getting ready for the fight in the battlefield with proper and sufficient weapon and with divine idea. So I have mentioned 3 drugs. What it is: hydrophobinum, Souza, and medulinum. Again, how many drugs are there? 3. Besides these 3, 5 drugs. But among these 5 drugs, 2 drugs, Carbovez for post-trauma syndrome. Carbamazepine is also for post-trauma syndrome. After Carbovez, Carbamazepine is used as complementary to Carbovez. And also the Carbamazepine is used frequently for glandular pathology like diabetes mellitus, like problem of breast, all this problem of prostate gland, problem of tonsils, problems of lymph node, all this glandular pathology, Carbamazepine is used frequently. But mind this very point, these 2 drugs are used only for pathological prescription. In real homeopathy, there are 3 types of prescription. One is pathological, second is philosophical, third is pathophilosophical. Today, I have given an example for pathophilosophical prescription. See, this pathological Pathophilosophical prescription is my latest invention. And it is very much effective. You can't imagine how effective this pathological prescription. You can't imagine. And I have not any class before Corona, the lockdown. So you have no clear idea. I know this. But try to understand. Try to understand. Give lots of time for reading this 14 page. And this very 14 page, it is written in Bengali in that magazine of 2019, March copy, 219, the fourth chapter, the Mathematica on Philosophy of Life. Little bit was there, not everything is there. As because when I am writing regularly, so no information is remain alive. It is changing. But it is not changing, it is updating. The idea is fixed. Go back procedure of real therapeutic system. But I am upgrading myself, like immunity upgradation. I am also upgrading myself. So COVID is upgrading. I myself also are upgrading. So no problem. It may be COVID-19 or 20 or 190 or 1900. It does not matter with me, as because we are giving medicine to the environment, which is fertile for the COVID, with the treatment of go back procedure of real homeopathy. The environment must be sterile. And this very sterile environment, no infectious organism can grow, can propagate. So the simple idea, you protect your leg, not COVID of the universe. So I think it is really unscientific. The idea has given by Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore 120 years ago. So the matter is of great regret that today's scientist is not understanding. WHO also is not understanding the idea of Kavi Guru Rabindranath. Either they are not understanding, but I must tell they do not want to understand. Means they are sleeping and not with proper sleep. They are awaking but showing they are sleeping. In Bengali, it is called jege jege ghumano. Je jege ghumiye take jagabe ke? Only the idea of Rabindranath Tagore 120 years ago is enough for arising the individual, the scientist, the expert. So, today, sir, how many times you will give? Then I will mention another drug or not. I will decide. How many times you will give, sir?
Hello.
How many times you will give me?
Another 10-15 minutes.
Only 10-15 minutes. So no medicine. I want to go start. I want to start any medicine. Only rectification. Only briefing today's idea.